Hi everyone, we're back, and sorry if I haven't put anything in a while. Being busy, and so yeah, so many people been here around, so sorry about that. And my bird, of course, is being antsy, lately. I don't know why. Makes me laugh, cause lately, every time I'm on my phone, this bird has been YouTube or something, but I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay, everybody, the surprise! We got my new cage, right, Woody Boy? Yeah, he seems kind of scared, so, I don't know. Have you guys ever bought a bird cage and bird gets scared? And I guess the prince doesn't like it, right, Woody Boy? Say hi. Hi. Good evening. Yeah, he's so happy now. He was so sad over there. And he says hi. Hi, subscribers. Right, Woody Boy? Yeah. Oh, now he's so happy. He's so sad earlier. Like, you guys bought in my cage, but we're not doing anything or what? Sorry about that. Oh, he's doing his little business. Sorry. I guess it's a good idea. Yeah, he's so happy now. He's boring. That's what I'm saying. He's so sad and everything. So, he's so different now. Yeah, like, I'm getting my cage. We're not doing anything. Oh, look, a butterfly. So, like, saying hi. So, we want to say thank you, everyone, to subscribe us. We really appreciate it. Bottom of my heart. Please subscribe us again and share and everybody. I just want to say hi to everybody. And sorry we haven't put anything lately. It's just been so hot. I'm gonna have to turn my fan on. So, hold on, everybody. I'm gonna turn my fan because it's too hot. Hot here. So we just got this cage like the other day, I think. And he's still trying to get it and trying not to be fair. Cause I'm sure you guys remember it was a like cage. So he's so happy, I guess. Right, Woody? Right? Oh yeah, I think I have like a rope, one of those long ropes that goes like that. But I guess you don't like it. But I guess I could put it here now since it's pretty big here. The other cage, we're gonna get rid of it, I guess. Uh-oh. I guess Woody didn't like the idea. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of it. Don't worry, Woody. You might get you a small one, alright? Look, it's so sad, Woody boy. It's like, yeah. Like, you guys got me cake, but where's my girlfriend at, huh? I don't know. Bernie's supposed to be in the thing here. Say hi. Kitty. Yeah, hi. And this week, I think his week was his birthday. His birthday was this August 8th, because we got him last year. So he's like a year old. He likes to be in shorts. I'm sure you guys seen that. I'm surprised. He likes to dance. But he does get grumpy. Like really grumpy when you don't get his tortilla. You know, people he likes tortilla, you know. So I don't know what's up with that, but okay. He does like his broccoli. Well, sometimes he does, but sometimes I don't know. But yeah, he does play with the little ball. I got him, but he's kind of scared. I noticed, but he's not scared of this. So yeah, we're okay, everyone. Just it's been hot, so I'm sorry. I haven't, like I said, I was gonna do it every day. I'm gonna try my best. If I'm okay and stuff. The top of that is so hot. Ay. So how's the weather, you guys? Where you guys are? I know. So I'm sure everyone's okay with our channel. You guys seen us already. Thank you again for subscribing us. Hi, Woody. He's like, I was on my phone on my couch. He's like, We're gonna put me a what? Cause oh look, he's not scared. Oh wow. I was surprised because he seemed so scared that yesterday. He's like, Mom, can you give me a nice cage? It's fine because it was his birthday. Happy birthday, Woody! Right, Woody? Yeah, his birthday. So he's 1 year old already was. So yeah. So yeah, and I think I got some toys for him, but I just want to get like a spare thing, maybe some shoe once the order should be coming sometime in 2 weeks. I don't know why, but it's taking forever. So if any of you guys works at Petco or something, give me discounts. Please comment below. It'd be nice, cause yeah, I know it's something's kind of pricey for a little board games. That's weird, right, Woody? Right? It's been forever to get your cage. It's pricey, huh? Yeah. So like, yeah, finally when I got my cage, good. Good. Oh, I'm not scratching. Nice to get her kisses. Good. Okay, Icky, like, come on, Mom, I want to be in YouTube. I know, every time I'm on TikTok or something, yes, I have TikTok. If you want to follow me, it's on my mom's, by her thing, on her page. It's my mom's kids page, but sometimes I help her. So yeah, she gets busy. She doesn't really have time right now. But I will come into my mom. So I think she's kind of shy. And I always tell her, don't pay no mind. Like, I don't know. I mean, for a fact, I'm still shy. You know. So yeah, I'm still here trying my best, but I'm not an expert in stuff. Right, Woody boy? Hi, Woody. What you did there, huh? Hi, Woody. Good Icky, yeah. Subscribers. Good Icky. Good Icky. Oh, yeah, huh? Isn't how it is, Woody? Isn't how it is. And I can't understand. So my mom thinks, since the Parrot thinks people hang like that. And you know, it's funny when it gets dark. When I used to have the other white cage, it was kind of small, so this cage cannot really go in my room. So it's kind of small with the door and stuff. It got so sad. Like, he knows he wants to be in my room. Like, he likes to be in my room. Like, he's the boss bird. The bossy bird. Why, Woody boy? Get it, You said hi, subscribers. Please like and subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna say it in Spanish now. So I'm gonna say to hi to everyone, subscribers, thank you and everything. You guys wanna know what kind of bird he is? Again, she is a GreenCheekConure chick. I thought he was a pineapple. I guess somebody said one time that he's not a pineapple, but okay. I guess the pineapples are the ones, the yellow ones. So this is more different. Yeah. I think he's hot. Oh, he's Spaghetti. Touching my phone. You see the run, he likes to be nothing. Now you guys were leaving. Oh no. That's so exciting. Okay. Alright. My last word in English is going to be hi, subscribers again. Once again. And thank you everybody who's subscribers and everything. From everybody everywhere. And I'm going to say now in Spanish. Okay. En Spanish. Okay. Me llamo Alicia. Yo tengo ya un pájaro un año. Este pájaro se me hace chistoso. Estoy ahorita porque este pájaro me hace chistoso porque siempre está en mi teléfono, siempre quiere estar en mi teléfono y no estoy en YouTube. ¿Vas a poner en YouTube ya o qué? ¡Caraki! He's like, man, hurry up. He's like, párate. Okay, quiero dar muchos saludos a todo el mundo. Y todo el mundo, gracias y todo corazón que sus subscribers. Si tienen comentarios, dejen comentarios. Mi pájaro será su cumpleaños esta semana. Y feliz cumpleaños, Woody. ¿Ven que sí? Y, ok. Muchas gracias, subscribers. Tienen comentarios, ok. Si unos ya saben, una campana siempre fue una jaula. Es diferente. Y no, que no me gusta. Siento que es muy grande la jaula. Pero se va ¿cómo se dice? He get used to it. I don't know how you say in Spanish, but se va a comprar que está muy grande y nosotros ya vamos a montar lo otro que tenemos, la blanca, o sea, ya no hay una blanca. So, sí compré juguetes para él, pues mañana en camino, unas semanas más. So look at see Woody boy. Correcto. ¿Quieres agua, Woody? No sé qué, no sé. Nomás este Juan siento que es tosco. Come on, Woody. Ay, pobrecito. ¿Verdad que sí? ¿Por qué no te tomas tu agua, Woody? No sé por qué ese pájaro como tiene miedo a esta jaula. ¿Ya ves? Ya ves, se siente bien. No sé, como tiene miedo a bajar. Sino que con esta jaula. Esto me hace chistoso. Y si piensan, como ustedes piensan que voy a salir mucho, cuando puedo, sí puedo. Cuando me siento de amor, no tan cansada, que a veces siento cansada con este calor. Ay, no me desespero con este calor. Y todo el mundo creo que está ahorita calor. Ay, no me desespera. Ay, que sí, Woody Boy, ¿querés? Comiendo tortilla. Aquí sí, Woody. Hola a todo el mundo. Yo estoy aquí, estoy bien con calor. Bueno, que sí, Woody Boy. Vámonos, pásale, Woody. Pues igual todo el mundo. Mira atrás, mira que está viento. Come on, Woody. Quiero decir, si tienen comentarios, déjenlo saber de nosotros. Mi nombre es Felicia y mi esperanza, si mi mamá no se pone su cosa, yo creo que sí tiene pena, pero eso no quiero subir nada. Ay, no sé. Pero sí lo voy a decir a mi mamá que se sube. Una página que no tiene miedo. Ay, no sé. Yo nomás estoy viendo su página mía. Cuando ponemos allí out of nowhere. Bueno, que sí, Woody. Es tu jaula nueva. Ya ves, todas. Sí está muy tosca, pero por aquí ahí está su jaula. ¡Quereque! Aquí están sus cositas nuevas. Sí, también sus cosas que haré. Sí, como que compré una cama. Sí, compré algo para no sé si dice algo que unos juguetes, pero se me hace que no me gustó los juguetes que bajaré. Estaba hasta así. Para la otra vez que pongo, no voy a poner todo. En 2 semanas, en estos juguetes casi, nada más compré una cama y unos zapatos. Casi le gusta su zapato. Man, sí, Woody Pie. Yeah. A ver, Woody. Como tienen miedo, no sé. Sí, ya ves. Ay. Aquí estamos. ¿Qué dice Woody? ¿Cómo están? Aquí estoy. Bien. Y por favor, suscríbanse, dan un like, dejen comentarios, por favor. Que mi pájaro le gusta de esto siempre, le gusta de ayudar y toda la cosa. Y sí, soy yo. De Michael Jackson. Titi. Ay, que sí, Woody boy. Dice, hola. Como tiene un poquito miedo. ¿Qué Ricky? ¿Qué Ricky? Mira, si pongo algo, ahí se pone feliz. Déjame parar esta poquito. Espérense. Ya ves, voy a poner contento si pongo eso. No sé por qué quiero hacer eso. Ahora sí, ya. Ya sé dónde quieres hacerla. No me importa, ya te gusta más. Ya ves, todo el mundo que le puse eso, cómo se puso contento. ¿Ya ves cómo cambia Woody? Oh, sí, ya mira Woody. Ajá. Dice, hola, sí, ya ves, me gustan pajaritos. ¿Cómo ves mi pájaro ya tiene una nueva jaula? Espero que todo el mundo te gusta. Yo estoy volando, ya ves cómo es Woody. Este pájaro le gusta. No, eso no. Oh, ya ves, te gusta la página mucho. Yeah, boy. No, ¿quieres decir nada con los subscribers, güey? ¿Qué? Ok, todo el mundo, muchas gracias, se suscribió con nosotros, todo corazón. Y muchos saludos a todos otros, a todo el mundo. Y si piensan no es en alguien, bueno, no sé si la gente es muy honesta, pero bueno, te quiero decir todo el mundo con nosotros, estamos bien, no va a estar con mucho calor, cuando puedo una semana puedo. Cuando ya no está calor, ahí mínimo ponen todos los días. Panamá no sé qué hablo. Yo trato, nomás comenzar mi mamá que pone una ella. Que se sorprende, nada que sí, Woody, por. Creo que sí. ¿Crees que yo decir bye? Oh Dios. ¿Por qué sí, Woody? Bye. Yeah, I said bye. Take care, everybody. Please like and subscribe and comment. También en comentarios, por favor. No sé si está bien, descansen. Y una vez más, esta es su jaula nueva. Ay, se me hace muy grande, pero adiós. Good morning to Theo, and God bless everybody. Bye. Take care. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.